il suo mister come mai finì? Un giorno lo studente in bocca alla baciò, e fu quel bacio rivelazione, fu la passione.
Henrietta Fanny Mingsley here. I've had a thrilling day. I am exploring the north, and I've come across the Spitters. The Spitters are remarkable creatures. No greater ordeal is faced by any other creature as they roam on the street for territory, food and warmth. I have established a good relationship with them. They give me cigarettes, I give them snuff. They order a thing called a pizza to an address which isn't theirs. They then wait for the native to come along on the scooter, get off the scooter, go to the false address, and then they take the scooter. Working together with the use of my rifle, we can get the pizza as well.
Così ardente mai ridir potrà.
No grey hairs streak my soul, no grandfatherly fondness there. I shake the world with the might of my voice, and walk, handsome, 22-year-old. Tender souls, you play your love on a fiddle. The crude club their love on a drum. But you cannot turn yourselves inside out like me, and be just bare lips.
Communication was difficult at first, for they are people of simple sounds. Wishing someone to be quiet, the Spitters go, "Shut up." What? Is a war cry initiating battle? Now I have just done what no other Spitter has done before. I have gone into a shop alone. I knocked over a can of Coke, laughed at the shopkeeper's hair, and gave them the gaze. Now, I'm awaiting my initiation into the tribe, for the gods to come along and give me an asbo. So here they are. So long, my friends, as I conquer the north and join the Spitters.
If you wish, I shall rage on raw meat. Or, as the sky changes its hue, if you wish, I shall grow irreproachably tender. Not a man, but a cloud in trousers. Along far beaches of uncharted seas, the moon, my wife, goes driving. She's red-haired, my beloved. She weds with a garage, kisses a newspaper kiosk, whilst a fluttering-eyed page tinsels her train, the Milky Way. And I, in sand's nostalgia bathed, I drown in boulevards.
Se al fine rifiorita la vita